Welcome to News in Flash column of 14 June 2021. It is presented to you by Lawsiku. I'm Ankita Parida. Now let's proceed with this session. Project O2 for India. To ensure we have adequate supply in future, Project O2 for India has been implemented by Office of Principal Scientific Advisor, Government of India, to enable stakeholders working to augment the country's ability to meet this rise in demand for medical oxygen. Under Project O2 for India, a national consortium of oxygen is enabling the national level supply of critical raw materials such as zeolite, setting up of small oxygen plants, manufacturing compressors, final products, that is, oxygen plants, concentrators, and ventilators. Wrestler Vinesh Phogat wins gold in women 53 kg freestyle at Poland ranking series. Tokyo Olympics Games bound wrestler Vinesh Phogat won the women 53 kg freestyle gold with an 8-0 win over Kristina Bereza of Ukraine at the Poland ranking series in Warsaw yesterday. With less than 50 days to go for Olympics game to begin, Vinesh looked strong in defense and swift in attack and counter attacks. Tigray crisis, a new famine in Ethiopia. The that began between Ethiopia's federal government and the ruling party in the Tigray region in the country's north last September has seen blown out into a full-scale crisis in the Horn of Africa. Now hundreds and thousands of Tigray are facing famine and millions more are at risk, UN agencies have said. The Tigray War is an ongoing armed conflict that began around midnight of 3rd to 4th November 2020 in Tigray region of Ethiopia. It is being fought between the Special Force of Tigray Region government and the Ethiopian National Defense Forces. Polar area stellar imaging and polarization high accuracy experiment Pasiphae is will peep into unknown regions of the sky. Pasiphae is an international collaborative sky surveying project. Scientists aim to study the polarization in the light coming from millions of stars. The Infosys Foundation, India, Stavros Foundation, Greece, and US's National Science Foundation have each provided a grant of $1 million combined with contribution from European Research Council and National Research Foundation in South Africa. Wide Area Linear Optical Polarimeter WALOP is an instrument when mounted on two small optical telescope that will be used to detect polarized light signal emerging from the star along high galactic latitude. It will be mounted on 1.3-meter observatory. Naftali Bennett, the new Prime Minister of Israel. Benjamin Netanyahu lost his 12-year-old grip on power as Knesset approved Naftali Bennett as Israel's new Prime Minister late on Sunday evening India time. Netanyahu, Israel's longest serving prime minister, is on trial for fraud and also he fell short of obtaining majority support after the general election in March this year. The new prime minister is a former aide to Netanyahu. Bennett, a 40-year-old politician with American parents, is a former tech entrepreneur who made millions before switching to and getting deeply involved in right-wing politics and a regional nationalist political position. So this was all for today. Thank you.